In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Pay on a Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use Apple Pay on a Nintendo Switch, what you may try to do is add any item to your cart, such as a full game, an expansion, add-on, or even a Nintendo Switch online subscription, and then proceed to checkout to see all the details and payment methods that you have. Now, this would be a natural assumption because the Nintendo Switch does have NFC capabilities. You can tap an amiibo on the Switch and it is going to get detected and so on. So the same could work with your phone. If you try tapping your phone near the Nintendo Switch, you might actually get a notification or a prompt from Apple Pay on your device. You can try it out. This is because there is an interaction with the NFC chip on the Nintendo Switch and the chip on your Apple iOS device. However, if you proceed to checkout and you look at the default payment options, you are only going to have credit cards, debit cards, and then the usual PayPal option available for residents of the United States, Canada, and Mexico. There isn't any option to use Apple Pay directly. Like I said, you can tap your phone, and while this does give you an Apple Pay prompt or pop-up in your actual device, there will be no way of proceeding with the purchase and completing it and pay with Apple Pay. So as of today, is there some workaround to this? Even though the NFC chip gets detected, it seems impossible to finish the purchase. Sadly, as it stands today, it is indeed impossible to use Apple Pay on the Nintendo Switch. Even though the NFC capabilities of both devices do have an interaction when you place them together, it doesn't mean that you will be able to complete the purchase using Apple Pay. Unless Nintendo addresses this in the future and adds Apple Pay as a payment method, it is going to remain impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that using Apple Pay on the Nintendo Switch is impossible to complete any purchases that you make through the eShop. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.